Hello everyone, Matteo from CrunchDAO here. So a few hours back, the ADIA Lab Market Prediction Competition officially started. So this video is a quick tutorial to show you how to do your first submission. So I'm assuming you already have an account on the hub and that you register for the competition. And from there, you will be able to do many things. You will be able to participate in discussions, code sharing, and take a look at the leaderboard. Actually, we started a couple of hours ago, and already some people are having fun with the platform. So, and this is me, which also did my first submission on the platform an hour ago. So I'm gonna show you how to do your submission. You can do it in different ways. One is with notebooks, and one is with a command line interface. With the notebooks, basically you have a quick starter. The link is here, that you can use to see the structure of the code you need to submit, the notebook you have to submit. And basically the only thing which is different from the notebook you have to do is written here in this command. So you need to install, we are assuming you're running this in a notebook. You install this command line interface, and from there you can set up your workspace with a token. And entering it will enable you to work in the workspace with everything you need. But let's set it up from a command line interface. It's exactly the same, it's just a different way of doing it. And let's go here. So I have a folder which is empty. I'm gonna run this command, and sorry for this. But basically the first command is installing the CLI. I already have it, so it's just pip is just checking I have everything I need. From there, I'm downloading all the data. So these are real data coming from the platform, and Xtrain is the biggest one. It's the feature space of the training set. And beside that, I have a white train, which is the target I want to train my supervised learning model on. And then I have a small piece of the X test that I can use to check that everything went well. So I have my workspace here, that's my name on the platform. All the data are here. And I think we can jump straight into the main, so you can see that the structure of the code is based on these steps of infer and train, so train and infer. From the script, then I can use the Crunch CLI, and I can just look for all the commands I can use. And let's ignore the options for now. Let's just focus on the test, setup, push, download, convert. The convert, I don't want to do it. I have a script, so I don't need to convert it from a notebook to a script. The download data, I don't need it. I already downloaded everything with the setup. So basically I can test my code. So I can do this, and the CLI will look into my script, and it's gonna see if everything is smooth, is running smoothly, let's say, in terms of training. And now you see the training happening in the background. And this is a way for you to check basically that locally the code is written well and it's compatible with what's gonna happen then in the cloud. So here is my training, it's going on. I guess we can stop it, and we can go directly into the push. Sorry, it's not Git, it's Crunch. And I don't want to put message, or maybe hello stream. And then I don't have to do anything else. Sorry, I'm in Git mode. After pushing, you will see that from the My Submission section, you will be able to see the hello stream submission. You see this is a submission I did 3 hours ago or so. And I can now run the submission, and this will enable me to appear in the leaderboard, for example. And so I run my local test. We didn't finish it, but we can say yes. And then we can also have a possibility of training on the test set. So we can have a dynamic training. We can retrain our model. And so let's say that we want to retrain every 3 epochs. And we can then launch next. And these are my credits, so I already used some credits, but I can create this job, which is pending job now. You can see it on the platform, you can see the logs of this job, and you can see it also from here. That's a pending job, and We can wait and will soon appear in the leaderboard.